Super cute. Yes. Or you could pair it with a little belt. Bring out your inner flower child for those of us at that age, because I'm 50, so yeah, I do like that. That looks adorable. So comfy, so cozy, sure to gain a lot of compliments. And what if you paired it with one of my whimsical nature themed totes? Let's look super cute with this, don't you think? It matches perfectly. I can think of so many women and teens that would love this outfit. Makes a great gift for people who love butterflies and nature and fairies. So there you go, Christina's creations, where whimsy and beauty and nature come to life on everyday essentials like teas, totes, journals, mugs, and more.